Hello guys, welcome to my live. Today I'll be doing some jerk pork. I have cleaned with vinegar and lime, pork belly and pork ribs. Okay, I have already pre-prepared my seasoning. I have garlic, onions, spring onions, peppers, some fresh thyme, sweet peppers, and some ginger. The powdered seasonings are here. I have ginger and honey, some mixed spice, some paprika, um, some adobo seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, some garlic, and some chicken seasoning. I have my jerk paste here that I'm just going to put it into the pork. So I'm just going to drain a little bit of the excess water that it have. And then I'm going to put my jerk paste. And then all the rest of the seasoning. If you notice, I didn't add salt in it, and that's because the seasoning already have salt in. And I'll just mix. I know it's hot, but I'll wash my hands after. And remember not to put your hands in the eyes. So I'll just mix the seasoning. Okay. And then let that just rest so that it can soak in all the spices and everything. And then I'll just put it in the oven. It would be good if you have a barbecue to put it in a barbecue, but I'm going to do this. I'm gonna put it in my oven and let it just cook in the oven. When we have some more sunny weather, I'll be doing barbecue, but for now it's just going to be in the oven. And as you can see to the pork belly, you can see the seasoning through it. All right, so right now I'm just going to let it soak. Some people say marinate for a while, and then I'll be putting it in the oven, so stay tuned.